Hello there, I'm Florian from Flir and I show you now the LSI124 LD+. This is an acoustic camera which makes your life and inspection very easy, helping you finding leaks in a very accurate way. With its 124 high-quality microphones using the beamforming method, we can detect very small leaks down to a size of 4 milliliter per minute. This will help you preventing catastrophic failures, machine breakdowns, and will save in the end a lot of cost. Beamforming visualizes the distance and the size of the leak with this 124 microphones. And you will see directly on screen what is the leak size, what are the estimated costs. So this helps you to make quick decisions for your maintenance, which is the leak you should prioritize on. It makes your work life way easier and you will save a lot of time. The analytics provides actionable data for maintenance and repairs. Okay, so let's have a closer look. So we turn on the device here and very quickly we are able to scan large areas. And what the heck, we have a leak here. So we here see the leak size, we see the cost estimation and the decibel level. Here the leak is visible with a crosshair. And we have at the moment a distance of about 2 meters, everything done by the camera. Super easy, super handy. We can use as well the zoom or make the snapshot a bit brighter. And when we have located the leak, then we take a snapshot. We can enter some comments. Where is the leak located? In this case, we have a leak close to the window. And we can enter some tags if we have repetitive location. Possibly we find more leaks here in this location. We add this tag, we save it, and then we go to the next leak. Like you've seen, this was super easy and super fast. When you've finished your inspection round, you will be able to download all these data later to your computer and you can make an ISO 50001 compatible report for your maintenance team. If you want to know more about this device, please contact RS where you're able to buy this as well. Thanks for watching.